have another book I'm going to share with you, boys and girls, about bubbles. And this one is called Bubbles Float, Bubbles Pop. With a puff of air, bubbles appear like magic, shimmering. They float through the sunlight. Do you know how bubbles are made? Every bubble is a round pocket of gas. Like balloons, bubbles trap the gas within their skin. Bubbles form in cold or hot liquids. In a cold glass of soda, bubbles stick to the cherry. See that? In boiling hot water, bubbles sparkle like diamonds. Pop! When a bubble's skin gets too thin, the bubble breaks. The gas inside the bubble escapes into the air. Dry hands, wind, and sharp objects cause them to pop. Bubbles always form in the same shape, a sphere. A sphere is perfectly round. Why are bubbles spheres? Why aren't they ovals or cubes? A sphere is strong shape. For its size, a sphere can hold a large amount of gas. You can make bubbles by blowing air into a liquid. But these bubbles quickly pop. You might see air bubbles in a fish tank. Air bubbles add oxygen to the water. Soap. Soap lets you blow bubbles that are less likely to break. Because their soapy skin stretches, soap bubbles last longer than air bubbles. See those bubbles? Can you touch a soap bubble? To hold a soap bubble, wet your hands with soap solution, then gently catch a bubble with your hand. Have you blown with soft, gooey bubble gum? As you blow in the air, the gum stretches out and the bubble grows. See? Have you ever done that? Blown a bubble gum? The world's largest bubble gum was almost 2 feet across. What will happen when the gum gets stretched too thin? I'll show you. It pops. Nature is full of bubbles. They sparkle in streams. They froth and foam at the beach like bubbles wherever there is water. Always look for them. Some gas bubbles grow deep in the earth and they push through the pools of mud. Finally, the mud bubbles burst with a squishy plop. Yuck. Look at that bubble. See, here it goes. It's going to pop. A spittlebug. A spittlebug surrounds itself with bubbles. Hiding in bubbly foam, a young spittlebug is protected from its enemies. Aww. See them? There's the bugs. They're hiding in all those bubbles. A polar bear. swims under the water. As it swims, it exhales or breathes out bubbles of air. In a tub or a pool, you can blow bubbles too. Just breathe out underwater. Have you ever blown bubbles when you're swimming? You blow out. Every bubble is a tiny world. Look closely. Who's looking back at you from that bubble? Want to see? And that was bubbles float, bubbles pop. I hope you enjoyed it.